This message comes from the celestial angels, who have something very significant to tell you today. The person who can't get out of your mind, especially now, is going through a major transformation. You might be wondering why he has distanced himself, maybe for longer than you expected. He is facing emotional and spiritual darkness, avoiding dealing with certain aspects of your connection. What you may not yet realize is the profound impact your energy has on him. He is in a moment of great transformation, and the influence you have is immense, even if you don't notice it. He has distanced himself because he is dealing with his own demons, trying to understand the intense feelings that arise when he thinks of you. It may seem like he is running away, but in reality, he is trying to process everything he feels. Your presence, even from a distance, provokes strong reactions in him, and that scares him. Have you ever stopped to think about how much your energy affects him? This distance is a reflection of the internal struggle he is facing. He is immersed in a sea of emotions, trying to find clarity. It is not easy for him to deal with this duality of wanting to be close, but at the same time, feeling afraid of such an intense connection. The impact you have is profound, and he is trying to understand how to get through this. Your energy is powerful and makes him question many things about himself and about what you both have. It's amazing how he reacts to your presence, even if it's just over the phone or social media. Your influence is strong, and at the same time, he feels an irresistible attraction to you. This mix of emotions can be confusing for both him and your relationship. Your energy has a powerful effect on him, but at the same time, it seems like you are distancing yourself in some way. He has distanced himself because he is dealing with his own demons, trying to understand the intense feelings that arise when he thinks of you. It may seem like he is running away, but in reality, he is trying to process everything he feels. Your presence, even from a distance, provokes strong reactions in him, and that scares him. Have you ever stopped to think about how much your energy affects him? This distance is a reflection of the internal struggle he is facing. He is immersed in a sea of emotions, trying to find clarity. It is not easy for him to deal with this duality of wanting to be close, but at the same time, feeling afraid of such an intense connection. The impact you have is profound, and he is trying to understand how to get through this. Your energy is powerful and makes him question many things about himself and about what you both have. It's amazing how he reacts to your presence, even if it's just over the phone or social media. Your influence is strong, and at the same time, he feels an irresistible attraction to you. This mix of emotions can be confusing for both him and your relationship. Your energy has a powerful effect on him, but at the same time, it seems like you are distancing yourself in some way. He deals with this situation in an intriguing way. There is a part of him that you know well and love, but there is also a side he tries to hide. This hidden side is a result of the overwhelming impact your energy has on him. He wonders why he reacts so intensely to you and tries to understand these feelings. Have you ever thought about how much your presence affects him? This distance is not simple. He is struggling with his own feelings and trying to find a way to deal with this intense connection. He feels an enormous internal pressure, something he has never felt before. This makes him want to understand better what is happening between you two. This internal dilemma is complex. He is torn between the desire to get closer and the fear of the intensity of this connection. The energy you emit forces him to confront parts of himself that he prefers to keep hidden. It's a confusing and exhausting process, but he can't help but feel what he feels for you. He wonders why he reacts so intensely to you, which led to the separation he himself provoked. Now, he is rethinking this decision, wondering if he made the right choice. Something about you affects him deeply, in a unique and difficult-to-explain way. He is in a period of deep confusion, and your energy is central to this process. He wants to know how you feel about this connection. The truth is that, at this moment, he is starting to notice things he preferred to ignore. This awakening is overwhelming, happening in a way he cannot control. Perhaps you are more spiritually evolved, and this changed the dynamic between you two. He is trying to understand this impact and deal with his own emotions. This process is revealing parts of himself that he avoided. The intensity of what he feels for you forces him to confront these parts, and that is frightening. He cannot avoid these feelings and, at the same time, does not know how to deal with them. His confusion is great, but your presence is an important catalyst. He needs to understand how you feel and what this means for your connection. He knows that something has changed, and this forces him to reevaluate everything. He feels like he is being pulled away from his own spiritual path and realizes that something has profoundly changed in the energy between you two, even from a distance. He thinks you will cause a great transformation, making him more aware and attentive to the connection. Now, he is determined to understand what led to this change and how you are behaving differently. He realized that you went through a significant internal transformation, and that affected the relationship between you two. He starts to question his own actions and wonders if they caused this change. He feels like you have distanced yourself, intensifying his emotions, which leads him to reflect on his past decisions, especially because he impulsively initiated the separation. Now, he enters a deep journey of introspection, trying to understand what really happened, and you are central to this process. Your energy is a mysterious and influential force that makes him question his own choices. If until now you recognize that he suffered in silence, it is important to understand the impressive impact you have on him, revealing parts of him that he normally prefers to keep hidden. He knew what would happen when he distanced himself, as you made it clear in a way no one else could. Your communication with the soul, rather than the ego, made all the difference. He finally begins to realize that you did nothing without a greater purpose. You have a remarkable depth and a unique understanding of love and the energy of love. He also realizes that you approached him because you received confirmation from a higher force to do so. From the beginning, you placed him in a special category, and now he understands that he could have connected with you much earlier. He is starting to realize that he doesn't know how to deal with someone like you. He is at a crossroads, torn between trying to bring you back into his life and understanding why you were destined to be together. Now he knows he needs to follow this connection to the end, even if it brings a whirlwind of emotions and confusions, especially when he tries to fit this relationship into pre-established patterns. He feels he cannot escape you because your energy is overwhelming. What he feels for you is something overpowering, something he cannot ignore. Have you ever wondered why he distances himself, why he seems to be struggling with something? He is dealing with emotions he cannot fully understand. You are the only person who affects him in this way. He recognizes the depth of this connection and is eager to explore it further. He is in a whirlwind of emotions, trying to understand how you affect him so much. It's as if your energy pulls him in and, at the same time, scares him. This profound impact you have on him is undeniable. Have you ever thought about that? Every time he distances himself, it's not due to lack of interest, but to try to process these intense feelings. He needs time to deal with this internal battle. Your presence is a powerful force, even if you don't realize it. Have you ever reflected on how much your energy influences him? It's a force that makes him question, reflect, and sometimes even distance himself. He is in a process of self-discovery, trying to understand what this connection means for him and for both of you. This duality between wanting to be close and feeling afraid of this connection is complicated. But he is trying to find clarity in the midst of this emotional chaos. At this moment, he understood that the connection between you two goes beyond a simple friendship, even though both of you have tried to minimize your feelings at certain moments. He takes the lead, knowing that you are truly unique in his life. He sees you as a being of light, a force that illuminates parts of him that are usually forgotten. He recognizes that you are someone he can communicate with not just through the ego, but through the soul, reaching a depth he has never experienced before. Have you ever thought about how your presence illuminates his life in such a unique way? He is eager to understand more about this connection and the impact you have on him. Your energy is a force that makes him reflect on himself and the choices he has made. He knows he needs to understand this connection to move forward. He wants you to know how much he misses you and how much you occupy his thoughts. Your presence and energy have a huge impact on him, and he wants you to understand how important you are in his life. He has many questions, wanting to know more about your feelings regarding love and life. He longs to understand the complexity of the connection between you two and wishes to explore every detail. He regrets not having taken this approach before, recognizing that he didn't communicate with you in such a personal and special way. He hopes you realize how much he values your presence. The energy you share is mysterious and unique, and he is eager to explore this more deeply. This is a moment of intense revelation and reconnection, where both of you begin to realize the power of this connection. Your energies are profound and singular, making him want to be even closer to you. This connection goes beyond a common friendship, as the energy between you is overwhelming and intense. Even though at times you both have tried to deny or minimize the intensity of what you feel, the attraction and chemistry are undeniable. He wants to dive into this relationship, understanding every feeling and emotion that arises when you are together. You both want to dive headfirst into this connection, facing deep emotions and intense challenges together. Remember, love is a journey of growth and transformation. Be open to communication, understanding, and mutual support, as this can further strengthen this special bond between you. Let these words touch your soul because the universe wishes the best for both of you and will continue to guide your paths to a positive outcome, no matter what decision you make. Know that you deserve a love that goes beyond the stars. Say firmly, I accept, I receive, and I determine that I have control over my life and my emotions. Internalize this message and all the blessings it brings. Reflect on this, as it is important for your growth and for the relationship you share. I am eager to see this connection blossom, creating a powerful wave of positive energy. The universe is on your side, illuminating your steps with peace, love, and faith. You are loved and supported on this unique and meaningful journey. Tell me in the comments how you will harness this positive energy to strengthen the connection with him, who is so special to you.